Did you know that poor indoor air quality can lead to dehydration? Pollutants floating in the air around you may be silently affecting your health. Pollutants like dust, mold spores, allergens, and harmful chemicals in the air not only harm your respiratory system but can also cause dehydration. These particles irritate the respiratory tract, causing increased water loss from your lungs. Pollutants also disrupt the skin's moisture barrier, leading to dry, itchy skin. When your body works harder to filter out these harmful pollutants, it loses moisture faster, leaving you feeling fatigued, thirsty, and even prone to headaches. That is where the Healthy Air medical-grade air purification system comes in. This advanced filtration system uses d-orbital nano-oxide catalyst technology to effectively capture and neutralize harmful particles from the air, leaving your indoor space safe, fresh, and healthy. By purifying the air, these systems reduce the exposure to pollutants that contribute to dehydration, helping your skin and lungs retain moisture. Breathe easy and stay hydrated with Healthy Air Purifiers. Clean air, healthy skin. Get your Healthy Air d-orbital nano-oxide air purifier today and experience the benefit of clean air. For more info, visit our website or call the numbers on the screen.